So what we got here is Mercedes Sprinter Tour Line, and what we've done on this vehicle is we secured it with the Ghost 2 Immobiliser system. So a vehicle like this is really sought after, so thieves will steal this one very quickly. So with the Ghost system, it makes it harder for them because they need to know the code. So as you can see, if the thief were to try and start the vehicle, the engine will cut out. So you cannot drive this vehicle without the code. So when you get in the vehicle, you need to enter your code to disarm the system. It is set to a demo button at the moment. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 2 high beam flashes to let you know that the Ghost has been disarmed. Now, as you can see, you can now drive the vehicle. It'll go into gear as well. So no code, you're not getting anywhere. If you want this system, the Ghost 2, installed on your Mercedes Sprinter, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.